Hi everybody, welcome to My Executive Ranch. Today we're going to look at how to get the shade off of an old STIFFEL lamp from the 1960s. I just did this myself and I thought people might want to know because it was kind of a little bit nerve-wracking. As you can see, I have this nice lamp and I sold it to a person and I will have to ship it to her. You can see that. There, you can see the STIFFEL name on the little shade, which is really cool. So anyway, I decided to ship this lamp to this nice lady in South Carolina, and I wanted to ship the shade separately because I was really nervous about the shade breaking in transit. And I want to show you how I got it off. I'm not going to take it off or put it back on again because it was a little long. It took a little time to do. But so the shade is just, here I'll show you. The shade just has this little lip that sticks out a bit, and then inside the lamp are just those little things that stick out. They're kind of almost a little bit springy, so the shade lip part sits down in there, kind of like this. Whoops, that. If you can imagine the little lip going down below that little thing, that's what holds the shade in. And in order to get it out, I took one of my good knives. Sorry, Mom. Not that I live with my mom. But anyway, imagine that this is all the way on, and I took a little knife and I just ever so carefully worked my way around and around, first with the real thin part of the knife and then with the bigger part, and I would get a tiny bit done, you know, pulled open just a tiny bit, and then I would turn the lamp and go a little more, and it went from being, you know, right down at the, whoops, and the this part of the lamp went from being right down here to slowly opening up, and then I could feel it kind of come off a little bit, and then finally you hear it pop and you can easily lift it out from under these little springs once it gets high enough to kind of be able to lift out from under those springs. Anyway, that was a long description of something that in many ways is fairly simple, but again, I thought that you might want to know, and so if somebody ever finds this, if someone ever finds this video and it is helpful to you in getting the STIFFEL shade off of a STIFFEL lamp from the 1960s, you'll, well, it'll be helpful. That's all I have to say for today. Thanks everybody. And again, you've been watching My Executive Ranch. Bye-bye.